Mike. Check. All right, I think we're back. I moved my desk around, so I think the check. Audio's been should be good now. Good. Hello. It's guys, it's my favorite day of the week. It is my favorite day of the fucking week. It's Freshcast Friday, baby. It's Freshcast Friday. It's Freshcast fucking Friday. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Cause I know. I want you want me. I want you want me. All right. Well, looks like the NASDAQ went for a trip yesterday. Look at this thing. Yesterday, after as soon as I got done streaming, I think I stopped streaming at 12. Look at that pump. You got a fucking 300-point pump. Good morning from Capos, Costa Rica. Hello. Good morning to you too, sir. Good morning. How are y'all doing today? It's Freshcast Friday. I want y'all to go get you an energy drink. Everybody, go get you an energy drink right now. Okay? Because it's time. It's time to party with our cocks out. I need my party hat for today. Today's a party day. Today's Freshcast Friday. I need my party hat today, boys. Exciting because I'm actually heading to Mexico this weekend. We got the Baja 500. Coming up. That is June 6th. We'll have the live stream going. Yeah, I'm pretty pumped up. Right now, man. It's gonna be a really wild race. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be a good race. It's gonna be long, gonna be hard, gonna be strong. All the above. A lot of hard, a lot of strong, a lot of long. If you know what I mean. This is what it's gonna be like. Not that one. Oh God, that's Brett Simba. Get him out of there. This one. It's gonna be me, baby. Just out there racing. It's gonna be racing. It's gonna be me right there. Passing Robbie Gordon. See you later. God, it's gonna be madness. Absolute madness. What are the G-forces like? I mean, you only really go 100 miles an hour, per se. Oh no. Not the rollover. That's what you don't want to do right there. You do not want to roll over. You want to avoid the rollovers. Oh God. You want to avoid that as well. Run the people over. Oh man, the camera guy. Oh Lord. Yeah, you don't want to do that either. You definitely don't want to do this. Oh, that's not good. Ouch. It happens. You come up to us so quick, you just don't know what you don't know. Yeah, that's pretty sick. All-wheel drive. A little different. Look at that thing. Oh, my Lord. Make my Warbucks rap in Forza. Let's go. Denny said that looks fun. Denny, when are you going to come out to the desert, bro? You got to put you and D-Money in the trophy truck. Make y'all scream like little girls. Eee! Ooh! Eee! I know. Denny would probably love it. Denny would honestly be chill. Like, Denny would be fine. But, yeah, I don't know. D-Money might be a little scared. D-Money might be a little scared. I think D-Money be a little scared. He probably pee his panties. You gotta get D-Money in the... Daddy, you know D-Money be screaming, wouldn't he? D-Money would be screaming, oh no! Oh no, I ain't doing this! Oh no! Oh no! I'm in the trophy truck spec. So 2-wheel drive, trophy truck spec is what we're racing in. Oh man, that, like, oh, look at that. Oh my Lord. Oh God. Oh, just soaking wet. So fucked. These guys right here. Oh. Shoo. Yeah, D-Money would definitely be crying. Let me out of this. Get me out of here. You crazy ass white motherfucker. Crazy white people be doing crazy stuff out here, man. See, this is where you get fucked up because, like, sometimes somebody gets stuck and then you get stuck as well. Oh, look at this guy. Goes off a cliff. What the fuck? The crazy part is there's literally, you know, there's fans all along the race course. It's wild. Like, all of a sudden you're just like in the middle of nowhere and there's like 20 Mexicans just hanging out in the bushes. Yeah, that's from the rain, Denny. It's the desert. Whenever it rains, you get like those big puddles because it just doesn't go anywhere. But can't wait, man. 2 weeks. 2 weeks, I'll be there. Two weeks. We're gonna be racing down the beach as well. Gotta go over 2 mountains. It's pretty insane. Like, you're literally just racing down the beach. Pretty fucking sick. Look at that. Yeah, the Mexicans in the bushes drinking cerveza. Cerveza. Do you still have your rally car? I do. I do still have the rally car. I got, well, the Subaru. I gotta get it. Gotta get it out to California, actually. That'd be cool, right? Get it to California. Yeah, so the co-driver is telling me all the turns, the lefts, the rights, the lefts. Oof. It's a Brenthal truck. Brenthal built the truck. It's like this truck right here. That's literally the brand of the truck. And then, like, this is bad. Like, all these silt beds, you get stuck in the silt. Oh, and you're fucked. And then you have other trucks, like, blasting by you, and everybody just, like, look at that. You're just fucked. Oh, man, you're fucked. The silt is the worst. It just gets everywhere. Like, that's my truck right there. Well, not my truck, but that's the truck brand. Yeah, it's gonna be wild. It's gonna be crazy. The cool thing is we've got we're spending 2 weeks in Miami, in Mexico. 2 weeks in Mexico, so I'll be able to do a lot of pre-running. So we're gonna be every single day. We'll be out there running parts of the course, memorizing the course, getting ready for the race day, and all that. Have I ever flipped over? I have not flipped over, to be honest. Knock on wood. I'm sure it's gonna happen at some point, but I have not flipped as of yet. Are you able to do this live? Oh yeah, we'll be doing it live. I got the live stream coming up again. We got better cameras this time. We got better cameras. Have I come close to flipping? Oh yeah, no, I've definitely come close multiple times to flipping over, but kind of drove out of it. I had one time where I was like this, almost about to flip on 2 tires, and it just kind of came back over. So yeah, you want to stream from inside the truck. Yeah, that's the plan. Don't worry. I got better cameras set up this time, so we'll have better cameras, better everything. I got my own truck this time, so we got everything dialed in. It'll be a lot more fun for this race. We got a totally just a better setup. This is what it looked like last time when we did the live stream. It was just like fucked up, but this was me driving right there on the left. The audio is terrible, but I think we should have it fixed this time. But yeah, this race, I'm gonna have a camera pointing at me and Drew, and then we'll have a camera in the front. So basically, you'll be able to see like the drivers, and then we'll have a camera pointed out the front. So we got 2 cameras this time, 2 different options. I gotta work with Denny. I gotta get Denny set up so he can run the live stream while I'm driving. So yeah, I gotta stream while trading. That would be fun. I don't even remember, like, God, it's crazy. We're going back to Mexico, baby. Back to Mexico. Back to racing. Getting freaky. The good thing is I've got my water ready to go this time. How important is your co-pilot? Very important actually. Very important to have a good co-pilot. This next race, so the race that we just did, that was a 250 mile race, right? And then will be this race is a 500 mile race. You got a 500 mile race this for the Baja 500. Let's go, Jess. $10. Hey, thanks, Jess. Bro, I'm here because you keep it real. Hey, I try, man. I try. Look at this thing. I got a new wrap as well. We got a new trophy truck wrap. I don't know if I have any good pictures of it on my phone, but I'll show you a little. This is my practice truck now wrap, but I got a different wrap for my actual race truck. Oh, and also, guys, the helicopter. We got a fucking helicopter. Yeah, people don't even understand. We're on a whole other fucking level right now of craziness. Shit is going crazy up in here. So this is my UTV, which it looks a lot like the trophy truck. So that's the UTV. It's got white wheels. It's got a different roll cage on it. This is just like a prototype for the wrap. But this is basically what my trophy truck will look like. The wrap on the trophy truck, that blue and the spots and stuff, and then the Warbucks logo in white with white wheels. Ooh, daddy, can you help me? Can you help me? I'm so pumped up. I'm so pumped. The thing that I really love about the racing stuff is like, it's kind of like all on you, like you gotta show up. You gotta do your job. You gotta drive. I mean, it's not like fishing where when you go fishing, like maybe you catch a fish. This is just like, we're going racing, like either we're gonna win or we're not gonna win. Check out this is my racing suit for the race. How's this thing? What do you think? Rate it 1 to 10. 1 to 10. This is the same suit that Max Verstappen wears. Okay. What do you rate it? Warbucks. 10, right? 10. 9.3. Look at that thing. It's beautiful. Come on. All right. This is not an actual photo of. This is just a thingamajiggy. But look at this. I want you all to see this. I want y'all to see this. Also, chat, can y'all decide really quickly? We got a new thumbnail for D-Money. You like this one, right, with the money signs? Or do you like this one with the cash floating? Which one's better? Let me know in the chat. Cash or money signs for D-Money's new thumbnail. We need a new thumbnail for D-Money. You like the cash? You like the cash more? The money signs or the cash? The cash or the money signs? Cash? I think they like the cash. I'll tell my little Filipino man to Be prepared, sir. Be very, very prepared. Be very, very prepared. Be prepared, okay? Be prepared. All right, this is what I'm so fucking excited about, guys. I just signed a lease, and I'm not even gonna. I didn't buy a helicopter. I signed a lease on a helicopter. I'll be on, like, I'm not trying to like lie to anybody, but I've leased a helicopter for a year. Basically, it's my helicopter. It's a lease, so I don't own it, but I leased it. If that makes sense, because it's way cheaper that way. Because that way, I'm not responsible for the helicopter. If the helicopter blows up, it's not my fault. You know what I mean? It's not my fault. Well, if I'm in it, that would probably not be good. But if it doesn't blow up, then we're good. So check out this helicopter. Oh my Lord. Are you kidding me? How insane is that going to be? Bro. 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 Come on. Could you imagine? It's gonna be so fucking sick. They let you do a lease, yeah. Yeah, I have a pilot. I've got a professional pilot already, but the cool thing is we can do trips. We're gonna be doing helicopter trips like all over the place. Well, the way that it works basically is you pay like a monthly fee and then you have to pay for the hourly. Helicopters are basically about $1,000 an hour. So it's about $1,000 an hour for a helicopter, like when you fly a helicopter. So can you parachute out of a helicopter? You can, yeah. But I'm so fucking stoked for that, because the amount of just like cool shit that I'm gonna be able to do, like going on, like you go on like helicopter trips. You just like go in your helicopter and fly somewhere and just like go helicopter camping. You go helicopter camping, basically. The monthly fee, I'm not gonna get all into it, but don't worry. It's the cheapest thing that I own, basically, the helicopter. But I mean, come on, like it's just gonna be stupid flying around. I'm gonna go to the Grand Canyon. Where else should I go? Where else should I go? Where's a cool place to go? I mean, we also don't fly. Someone said $24,000 a day. I mean, you don't. It's only when the helicopter's flying. So, are you sure you're able to afford that, or is that even a smart decision? Well, I mean, I make $1 million a month, so I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? If I make $1 million a month, is that enough to afford it? You think? What do you think? How are we feeling? If you make $1 million a month, is that enough to pay for it? What do you think? What do you think, chat? Is that enough? Is that enough to pay for it? Right now, the NASDAQ push it up here, 29,592. So, we're ready. We're ready. So like right here, this is my bank account. I like to just show, you know, I'm a transparent person, right? Look at this. So for the month of May, we brought in about 1.5 million this month so far. For the month of April, made 2.3 million. I mean, obviously there's money going out, but welcome to the big leagues, baby. Welcome to the big leagues. NASDAQ going up or down? We're gonna see. Anything's possible. But yeah, what would you do if you made $1 million a month? You would get a helicopter, right? I mean, you would get a helicopter, right? What's your biggest income stream? My pee-pee. My pee-pee. My pee-pee. My pee-pee. Come to my mansion in Chico, California. We ride Lambos, fly your helicopter here. Let's go, Jesse. We're gonna go to Jesse's mansion in Chico, California. Let's see. Jesse got the mansion. Where's the mansion at? He got the Cybertruck. We're going. All right, I'm in. Let's go. Let's go. I want to watch a little bit more, get a little bit more excited about Mexico here. Ooh, Mexico. We're gonna go. go to Mexico. All right, let's focus. We got about 19 minutes here till market opens. Right now, the Nasdaq. What do we got? What do we got? Got. Pushing up here, 29,590s right now. Let's go. Lost Sector Online said, kids watching. Bro, don't get your kids away from this. Get your kids away. Get your kids away from the fucking live stream, man. Get it away, man. Get it away. I love how people like, why don't you bring your son on the show anymore? He's in school, Nishi Pishi. Nishi Pishi, I'm in California. My son's in school right now. As soon as he gets out of school for the summer, guess where he's going to be at? He'll be in California. So just don't you worry about me. Everybody's always worried about, like, Patrick, where's your son? He's chilling. He's 14. He's almost 14 years old. He's in school still. Last year, 8th grade. You know, he's all right. PW, do you only make living through trading and affiliations, or is there other ways to make money? Oh my, like what kind of question is that? Is there other ways to make money? Yeah, man. There's 100% other ways. We have the Pilates business that we're running. We have, I have a lot of shit going on that people have no idea. I'm not, like, I think people only think that I day trade and like do YouTube, but I'm working on a lot of other businesses, other investments, yeah, stuff outside of trading. So, yeah. No, we got way bigger stuff going on. What is your biggest, most profitable source of income? I mean, the Pilates business is literally printing money right now. We have 2 Pilates studios, and every single day that we are maxed out on there, so. And I sell a $20 course. I'm rich. It's crazy. It's crazy the amount of people that just like the pocket watch it. You know, it don't matter. Like, if you think about it, like, if I got money and it don't affect you. It had nothing to do with you. It don't matter about you. Just know that I got more money than you do. That's all you got to think about. You know what I mean? Like, be like, okay, what am I going to do? Am I going to listen to this guy who's got more money than me or not? Well, there you go. Listen to the guy who's got more money than you. Very simple, very simple. Okay? Very fucking simple here. Also, I mean, I got so much flack yesterday, right? Everybody pissed off about me blowing evals. But let's not forget. Let's never forget, chat. Let's never forget, all right? Don't ever forget. December 2024, $600,000. June 2025, $355,000 payout from one account. That's one account, by the way, right? Don't ever forget, chat. Let's not ever forget. I was on the top trader in the Tradeify live account for quite some time. Look at that. Number 1 trader at Tradeify. People gonna forget. People forget, though. Why do people forget? I think people be forgetting. I've been doing this shit longer than most people have even been fucking trading. That's the funny thing about it, right? Like, you know what I mean? Like, I literally have been I've been making money on YouTube longer than most people have even thought about day trading. And the little fucking people talking about me and Patrick blows evals. Oh, Patrick. Yeah. You know what I've also done? I've also been day trading live on YouTube since 2017, right? I've been day trading on YouTube since 2017. So yeah, there's going to be good days. There's going to be bad days. If you think about that, that's probably like 2,000 live streams that I've done, right? I've been doing 2,000 live streams. So you like, it's crazy. When I have one day, like even yesterday, people talking about the whole Lucid stuff. I've gotten over $30,000 in payouts from Lucid in May. You know, I've gotten over 30,000 payouts from Lucid in May alone. So, I mean, I don't know what they want from me. What do they want from me? Okay. I'll be okay. It would be nice to see some of your followers make that type of money. Haven't heard of any. Hey, where's Kevin? Where's Kevin Figgett? Where's Kevin Figgett at? Where's Kevin Figgett? Let's see. Kevin, where you at, boy? I'll show you. This guy. Oh, Patrick never makes none of Patrick's followers make money. You right. You right. Let's look. Let's look at Kevin Figgett here. Right? Okay. Yesterday, Kevin made how much money did he make? Ooh, wow, that looks terrible. Let me see what else. Oh, what else did he make? Oh, he made, oh my God, that was yesterday? That was the day before? Kevin, dude, what do? You got to stop making so much money, Kevin. You got to stop making so much money. You got to stop it, Kevin. Oh, Kevin, what, dude, you got to stop making money, Kevin. So it's hilarious. You know? There's plenty of people that are making money that don't sit in the chat all day, just blah, 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 talking shit, you know? So, yeah. The thing is, people that make money, people that watch the live stream and they make money, they don't sit here all day commenting and bitching because they're happy because they're making money, right? So, it's, you know. Remember, chat. The cheap seats are always the loudest. Cheap seats are always the loudest. All right. Well, we're getting ready here for market to open up. It's time. Got to put some music on here. Get the music going. Get the vibes. It's Fresh Cash Friday. Yeah, Kevin's killing it, man. Yo, what up, Kevin? I don't know. I think people who are actually making money, people that are happy, they're not in the chat, you know, commenting and bitching all day. So you know, hey. They're happy. They're happy. All right, well, hourly chart, obviously the overnight high here, right? Overnight high, 29,660s. And then after that, well, you've got all-time high just right up here. So pretty wild. Question now, though, is are we going to just kind of be stuck in a big range here, right? Is this going to be a big range kind of play? Nvidia sitting at 220, not really doing much right now as well. So see what happens. We got some key levels from yesterday, obviously 29,134, 29,000. So we got about a 300-point move up from yesterday's kind of low area, that 29,200. And yeah, 600, 800 up there next. So it's time to make some money. If you haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. We're blowing it up. It's time to party. Drink some Bacardi. Music's too loud? Really? Let's do a poll in the chat. Up or down at open? We got a poll in the chat. Poll in the chat here. Up or down? We need something different. We need something. We got to go hard here. We got to go hard. We need like a what's a good? We need to like. I'm trying to find like an old playlist throwback. Let me see what I got. I need to find like an old playlist, something that we used to play back like when we first started. Not maybe first, but like do something, you know. I need to find some music. Ooh, I think this is a good one. Here we go. This is an old one. Oh yeah, you remember this? I know someone's gonna hear this beat and be like, "Oh, I remember this beat. This beat. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Come on, we coined the Fresh Cash Friday term. Ain't nobody doing Fresh Cash Friday like us. Live on YouTube, baby. Live on YouTube. YouTuber. All right. William 2000 says, "Why am I banned?" I don't know, bro. Why are you banned? I like people get upset when I don't respond to every single comment that they have, and they're like, "Patrick, why'd you ban me? Patrick, you never answer my questions. Patrick, I've been, you know, I've been asking you questions every day, and you never answer. Patrick, you never answer my questions. I keep asking the question." All right now we got the poll in the chat. We got the poll. Get your questions, get your polls. You should make a public account where you only take trades opposite of the chat. Dedicate Denny to it. Denny making money. He got no time for that. Dashcam disaster. Are we gonna blow accounts today? Yeah, buddy. Guess what? I can blow 100 accounts every day and still be richer than you. Don't ever forget about that. Hey, Dashcam, don't ever forget about that. You know what I mean? Like, I could blow 100 accounts every single day for the rest of my life and still be richer than you. Does that make you mad? Does that make you sad? You know, how do you feel about that? You know what I mean? Like, how does that make you feel? Think of, like, I would be depressed. I'd be sad. I'd want to just, I don't know what I would do if somebody told me that. I'd be like, damn. Damn, you know? Damn it. This fucking guy just keeps on winning. Just keeps winning. All right now in the poll right now, we got the NASDAQ pulling back here to the VWAP. We're in the middle of the overnight range right now. We got the dotted line down there. That's yesterday's close. So we do have a bit of a gap to the downside. So we'll see what happens. And also, by the way, I didn't blow all those accounts yesterday. I didn't blow them all. They were just max loss for the day. So, you know, it wasn't all those accounts were not blown. Now I just have like fucking 80 accounts to go through. God damn it. Relax, chat. Relax. Let's just have a good day here. Let's make some money. Fresh Cash Friday, good vibes. I doubt that we'll have good vibes, but we'll try. We're gonna try to focus on the good today, right? The good in life. You know, instead of focusing on the bad, let's focus on the good. At that point, would you rather just buy new accounts to pass instead of trading those ones out of drawdown? I mean, it's a good challenge now, I guess. Right? See, like, if the market's hot, I can make money. It's not really a question of if I can't, make money or not. It's just that I need the market. The market can't be chopping. You know what I mean? Like, you can't put on big size in a choppy market and expect to make money. You gotta wait for a good directional move. So we'll see what happens. It's the only way to really do it, you know what I mean? Like there's been days where I've passed, you know, tons of evals with just one trade because the market's like good setups. You know, we just don't have the good setups right now. So, but let's stay positive. I think we got a good day coming up here. You know, yesterday was a bit of a debacle, but today is a new day. We're back. We're making money. We're doing it live. So take your position at the bottom of the range if you want to buy. Oh, that's all I need to do? That's all we need. That is all I need to do. That's all I have to do is just take a trade at the bottom of the range. Guys, I've been doing this all wrong for so long. The chat is undefeated for smartness. You know, it's impressive how smart the chat is sometimes. We got 3 minutes here, 3 minutes till market open. Let's get this ready to go. We got these, I got some Tradeify accounts that I'm trying to get. I need one more day. Brett Simba texted me. He's like, you gonna pass those accounts today? I'm like, fuck you, Brett. So I gotta make, what, 2,500 bucks basically to pass these Tradeify accounts today. We'll see. Anything's possible. We did it yesterday. We just gotta stay focused. Stay focused. Your back and forth with Rips is so joke. I like whenever Rips talks shit. All I have to do is just say, what? Alexander Podursky? And then he just shuts up real quick. He knows I'm his daddy. Rips knows that I'm his daddy. Don't ever forget it. If you ever really want to troll Rips, all you gotta do is just comment Alexander Podursky. That's his real name. He changed his name. He hides his real name because of his previous life. Alexander Podursky. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. All right, both the ES and the NASDAQ both pushed up here, going in to open up here. Going to push it up here, so see what happens. What are the odds of option contracts getting filled if bought before open? Probably 0, right? 0. Julian Ford, does D-Money still work for you? No, I work for him now. After yesterday's, I sold the business to D-Money. I sold the business to D-Money for $5 billion. Norton said 600 long, looking for 640s. I like that. It's a good idea. Why not 660? Why 640? We got 20 seconds here till market opens. Let's get it. Let's get it. Right now we're holding up there at the VWAP, holding up right there at the EMA. The EMA is crushing. Let's see what happens. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Patience. I always say that. Patience. And then I go right into a trade. Little dip here. I like that breakout through 600s. Let's try breakout through 600 for a long. Right now, just let this dip down a little bit. Bouncing off the VWAP again, though. Bouncing off the VWAP for now. Nice wick there on the bottom so far. So can we explode to the top side? Let's see. Just get that push straight up here now. There we go. Beautiful. Can we get a little bit more out of it? I think so. I think so. Give it to me, baby. Oh, buddy boys. Buddy boys. Buddy boy. What's crazy is fuck me. God damn it. I'm so close. Dude, I'm like fucking $40 away from passing these fucking accounts. God damn it. Look at this. I'm at 158,964. Can we get like one more little pop right here? Is this crazy to go for a long right here for like literally a $50 pop? Right? Just need 50 bucks. Just need 50 bucks. Oh my God. Did we just buy the top here? I just need 50 bucks. Give me one little more pop here. One more little pop. Oh my God. Oh, I didn't get fucking filled at that. I gotta go again. We gotta make 500 now. This is absolutely cooked. Now we're gonna lose this account. Give me 500 here. Push. Push here. There we go. There we go. We did it, boys. We did it. We did it. Thank you to Tradeify. Shout out to Brett Simba. He motivated me this morning. He texted me and said, hey, I bet you can't pass those accounts. That's what he said. Isn't that fucked up? Isn't that fucked up? He said that. Hypnotix said no patience. Hypnotix, sit down, bitch. I just made money. What are you talking about? No patience. I'm the best there ever was. I'm the best there ever was. Why do you guys have to say? Why do people always got something to say? Why do people always got something to say? People always got something to say. People always got something to say. People always got something to say to me. Hey, let's just run it back really quickly. Like I said, look at that. Ding, 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 ding. 640. Someone said be humble. Hey, Ben. This ain't a humble game, motherfucker. We're here to make money. I'm the fucking lion. We're in the jungle, and I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat, and I'm gonna eat, and I'm gonna eat, motherfucker. I'm the motherfucking lion. Ah! Nice trade there either way. Nice long at open from the 576s. We love to see it. Making money live with the crew. We got long right there at 576. Out at the 605s. The last one out there at the 623s. Bam, baby. Ain't nobody doing it like this. No, I'm a lion, baby. They're fuck the tigers. I'm a lion. Because a tiger can be a female, right? I'm a lion. Wait. Is a lion a female too? God damn it. We're fucked. Everything's fucked. All right. Now that those Tradeify accounts are ready to go, let's see what's going on with Nvidia here. Nvidia pulling back. I'm looking at my Warbucks account. Are we going short on Nvidia or are we going long on Nvidia? Nvidia just straight down right now. I feel like there could be a bounce coming here. We bounced out in this area. I'm going to try a little long, get my Warbucks account. All right, we're long on the Warbucks account on Nvidia. My stop loss is just going to be at the bottom down here. And let's see if we can't get a little push. A little push back up here in the Warbucks account. Trading Nvidia right now. Ooh, looks nice. Up $100. I'll take a $200 winner here. Honestly, I like those easy monies. I like making easy money, chat. Easy money is easy money. $200 right here. Hit me for it. Hit me for it now. Oh, come on. Come on. You got to be kidding me. Come on. Daddy's back. Daddy's back. Daddy's back. All right, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good, chat. See, I told you we got all the losses. We got them all done yesterday. We got rid of all the losses, and now we back. 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 Let's go, baby. Come on. What do we got? We got some more action coming up here. Look, another big pump here on NASDAQ right now. Let's see what else is happening. Let's see what else is going on here. Can we get through the highs? 29,640 right now at the tippity top. The tippity top. The tippity top. Tippity top. Tippity top. Tippity top. Right now we're holding up there above that pivot point. 5-minute chart, maybe a little pullback here. I'm gonna try a quick. Oh, wrong one. What do you mean? What do you mean? This one. Fuck. That was my entry right there. We're gonna pop through here. I'm gonna try a quick scalp on this. Go through the 660 area quickly. Blow it off. Go through the overnight high at least, is what we're looking for here. Can we pop overnight high here quickly? Quickly. Overnight high right now is 665s. Pop it. Pop it, pop it, pop it. Pop it. There we go. They're popping. We're popping. Popping, popping, popping. Popping. Oh, come on. 10 points. Give me 10 points there. Oh. There we go. Another W. Hey, that's hey. Hey, little bit of money, little bit of money makes the world a little bit better. Woo, look at that. We're back, baby. One day does not make a man. Remember that, chat. One day does not make a man. One day does not tell you a lot about a man. But 8 years will tell you a lot about a man. And I'll tell you one thing. I ain't never given up. I ain't never gave up. You know, the haters, they give up. Trust me, the haters, they give up over time. The haters, they disappear, they go away because they give up because they're broke little bitches. But guess what? I'm still here, baby. I'm still here. I ain't ever given up. 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 I ain't ever gonna give up. Ain't never gonna give up. It's Fresh Cash Friday. You know what I mean, though? Like, I ain't ever gonna give up. It's crazy. Like, I do this shit for fun, man. I love this life. I be doing it. I love proving people wrong. I love it. Nothing better than fucking having a bad day and then coming back stronger than ever. You know what I mean? That's what it's all about, my friends. We're doing it live here at the BDH, making some money. NASDAQ still pushing 29,670, 680s. We're still going. Let's get some more, though. I ain't done yet. I ain't done yet. You know what I mean? We're going to keep it pumping because daddy's a humping this market right now, if you know what I mean. We are on fire. Green, green, green. 684 still going higher. Six. Go, go, go. 29,680s, pushing, still 90s now. Look at this thing. Straight to the moon, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Fucking A. You gotta love it. What a pump. If you got long there at the 650s like I did, that is now almost 50 points to the upside there. So I think I'll just kind of be patient here. See what happens. Nvidia is showing some good strength right now, but I want to be patient. We're gonna be patient today. We're gonna be patient today, chat. Let's look at Nvidia here. Nvidia pushing back up right now. The NASDAQ 5-minute gang. We got the 15-minute range still coming up. It's only been 10 minutes since the market opened, so you know, it's still very early here, my friends. Still very, very early. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, blow up the like button, blow up the subscribe button. It's time. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it today. Oof, Apple going to the moon right now, man. What's crazy is that if you think about it, right? Like, if you really think about it, look at this, still pumping. What's crazy is, I talked about this yesterday. I got in on Apple last year, right? I put $90,000 in Apple, and right now I'm up 44,000. Like, that's crazy to think about, like, from an investing standpoint, right? To put $90,000 into a company like Apple and then make someone's, you know, yearly salary just from sitting on Apple. Like, that's crazy. That's just like, you know, me buying it and forgetting it. Like, look at my cost, my average on that. Come on, back there, that's in July. It hasn't even been a year yet. And that's not even like a, and that's what's crazy about that trade, right? It's not like it wasn't like a really dangerous trade because it's Apple, right? So the fact that like I got a 40% return on a $90,000 investment on Apple, like it's pretty crazy, right? I mean, it just sounds crazy to me, like from a, you know, overall like ROI standpoint. To put $90,000 into Apple, you know, crazy. Sell everything after SpaceX IPO, bro. I'm buying the space. I'm going all in on SpaceX. I don't know. The one thing that I've learned about investing is that when everybody thinks that it can't go higher, it will. It will. What is my net worth? I don't know, like 10 million maybe? 15 million? I don't know. I spend most of my money on extravagant expenditures. All right, this is a nice little pullback here. This is what we wanted to see, right? Just some kind of pullback. Looks like Nvidia struggling right now, 220 area. Retail doesn't usually get in at the offer price for IPOs. Well, Schwab, you can get allocation for the IPO through Schwab and some of the other brokers. Do you have a private airplane? No, we just rent private airplanes. It's way cheaper. Patrick, how old were you when you made your first million? I don't know. A couple years ago. Like, I mean, I'd have years where I make $1 million in a year, but like making it's one, like if you work really hard and you make $100,000 a month and you make $1 million in a year, that's like, it's hard to like, I don't know, not to like say it's like you're not making $1 million, but like it's like you didn't really like make $1 million, you know? But like I think to like make $1 million in like 1 month, like that's like, wow, you made $1 million, you know, like kind of thing, you know what I mean? Like it's kind of like that's $1 million, like you made $1 million. Like until you like do a deal where you like make $1 million, you know, like that's $1 million. You make $540,000 after $1 million after taxes. Jordan, you got to get a new accountant, bro. Last year I made about 16 million and I paid 1.6 million in taxes. So welcome to the big leagues, baby. And that's still a lot. I paid a lot, but yeah, I paid 1.6 million in taxes last year. All right, so I don't like see how this 5-minute candle basically broke through the high and then now it's breaking through the low here of this candle. That's like, that's not a good sign, right? You know, like it's not a good sign. You know what I mean? Does Victoria trade? Yes. Kind of like, this is gonna be one of those stupid setups where it's like this could be a bear flag or it's just gonna like ramp straight up here with some news or something, right? You know, it's like I don't love it kind of setup, you know what I mean? I don't love it kind of setup, if that makes sense. Like it's not like my favorite setup there, so. Because like the problem with this setup here is, you know, like this is that like you really don't want like a breakout setup to kind of like have this slope. Because see how this like it's like
it's like sloping up like that, it's not really like the pullback that you want, right? Like if I show you like what looks like a better pullback, like this would be a better like bullish pullback, right? Like we break to the upside and then the slope is like that. Like that's more like you want, I would say for like a long, for a breakout long, you want the slope of the pullback to look like this. Does that make sense? Whereas, you know, like right now the slope is looking like this, so it's like it's not as bullish. It doesn't mean that it can't go higher, but it's just not as clean, because this could really turn into a dump, right? It's like it's more of a bear flag than it is a bull flag, if that makes sense. So, I mean, this, you know, kind of like, I don't love the shorts, but this could be a short, right? I mean, kind of be a head and shoulders type play. It's like the left, the head, and then the right, and then it rolls over here. I mean, right now, this is just, that 5-minute candle is not looking hot, right? We've got our 15-minute range now set as well. So, and it's also like, look at this candle right now. Like, there's really no wick on the bottom of this candle. So I think that's like a good, while we wait for this, if I can give you guys a little piece of advice, and I know I don't always give you the best piece of advices, but if you just give me a second, and I think you can agree with me when I'm done with this talk here. Think about it like this, right? If the rocket ship, right? If the market's gonna go up, you know, like what does a rocket ship look like? Like the rocket is like, this is the rocket body. Well, you know, you have the fire, whatever you want to call it. You got the fucking flames coming off the bottom, right? The flames of the rocket are at the bottom of the flame. Where like here, it's like when there's no wick on the bottom, what's that telling me? That's telling me that there's more pressure to the downside, right? It's like the rocket is in reverse, or it's upside down. So it's like if the body is like this, but then you have a wick here, right? Then it's just like, it's not looking as good. So yeah, because look at that opening candle, right? We had a nice wick on the bottom and then the pump. Where here, it's like that wick is now turning into resistance and pushing us down here, and looked like the bear flag played out. So that was a nice little, if you would have, basically the way that you would have taken this is like the first kind of candle to kind of start to break to the downside here. So shorting around this 640 area and then looking just kind of to get through these lows. So he really is going all in on the SpaceX. Oh man. Well, yeah, I think it's just like, it's a good way to look at the chart, right? If you're looking at the chart and you don't see rockets pointed in the direction that you want it to go, then it's probably not going to rocket. But, you know, what we talked about yesterday, look at this, right? Yesterday, look at all these rockets, right? Remember that 15-minute chart yesterday, how fucked it was? But the funny thing that I talked about was like, man, look at all these wicks. It was nothing but wicks on the bottom of all these 15-minute candles. And then look what happened, right? Like, is it a coincidence? I mean, maybe it's a coincidence, but I mean, there was just wick, all on the bottom of those moves. So you can see once that did break out, that was a 250 point move just straight up. So I think that's something to think about, right? If you're looking at the chart and you're seeing a bunch of wicks, you know, kind of in a certain area, well, then you got to kind of be like, hey, they're building this up for something. There's a big move coming. So right now, if you look, we've got wick on the upside, on the up of this candle, and the wick on the top of this candle. So I would say more pullback possible here. So looks like Nvidia is dumping right now as well. Nvidia down there 218. So Nvidia dumping, pulling back. ES pulling back. That bear flag would have printed. Fuck. Shorty Boogie said it's called consolidation. Is that Shorty Boogie, like, is that like a needed comment? You know what I mean? Like, do you feel better after you commented that? Like, are you like, damn, I just told him, I just told Patrick exactly what he needed to know. I've been waiting my whole morning to tell Patrick that's called consolidation. Like, I just don't get it. Like, what, do you feel better now? Do you feel better? You feel good after commenting that? You know what I mean? I'm just wondering. I'm not trying to, like, be a hater. I'm just trying to wonder. Like, are you like, damn, I told Patrick. Now he knows. Hey guys, Patrick now Patrick knows that's consolidation. I think people comment so you can give them attention. Yeah, that's right. Dude, you're getting upset over educational comment. I'm not getting upset. I'm just wondering, like, I think my whole, like, discussion there was not about to be like, guys, I'm inventing a new strategy, right? Look at this. Whenever the market does this, it's called secret. It's a secret strategy. And then you comment like, it's consolidation. I mean, I'm not mad. The point is, like, why did I need, like, why was that a comment? Like, we all know it's consolidation. So I don't, I'm just wondering. Like, are you commenting that because you think that I don't know that it's consolidation, or, like, do you think I'm just trying to figure out, like, what is that, That's all. All right, NASDAQ continuing to pull back here. That short, man. After yesterday, I was like, I'm not getting chopped up today. But that short played out. You could have shorted there 640s down there through the 600s now. And see, what we want to talk about here, again, remember, this is that slope, right? Remember how that slope was like this? Not what we wanted to see. Well, if we go like this, well, guess what? Looks a lot better, right? So if this is now going to be our new kind of breakout slope, well, guess what? We could start moving back up here, I think we have news coming in here, right? 7 o'clock, 7 minutes. We are holding inside the 15-minute range for now. Well, we were holding. Where'd it go? Oh, it's there. Look at that 5-minute candle. We got a big wick on the bottom here. Will this be our rocket ship to the upside here? Will this be the rocket ship to the upside? Chizon Polarian, how's your cup account? Are you talking about the Tradeify cup? I'm already qualified for round 2 because I'm an outlaw. So how's your cup account doing? I mean, God, I can't imagine. I can't imagine these people. Like, what do they do? They wake up in the morning and they're like, I'm gonna go on YouTube and I'm gonna ask Patrick, what's his cup account? Patrick, what's your cup? I got him. I got him. How's your cup account? There's your cup account. Good. All right, the news is out. Patrick, where's the area that you look to get long? I mean, honestly, this could be the area to get long. We just kind of need maybe this. We want this 5-minute candle right here to dip down a little bit. Like, if we could get a little dip down here first and then the breakout back through there would be good. So this might, let's see what happens. You kind of want like a little wick here on the bottom of this 5-minute candle right now. So Patrick, what do you think about speedboats? I like motorboats. You know what I mean? A little motorboating. I'm a motorboating son of a gun. PW's tripping this morning. These people are just talking. Hey, Connor, go fuck you. No. They ain't just talking. That guy is not asking me how my cup account is because of he wants to honestly know. He just wants to try to troll me. These people are not just talking. They're not here having fun. They're here just to talk shit. Hey Patrick, how's your cup account? Ha ha ha. You got me, bro. You win. What do you want me to tell you? PW, where are you at? I'm at your mama's house. No, I'm in California, bro. Oh, fuck. The news? I thought that was 10 o'clock news. Sorry. For some reason, I was like tripping. All right, so see how this candle is now pulling back? Well, that's what we wanted to see, right? You know what I mean? That's what we wanted to see. So let's see if this 5-minute candle is going to now push back up and give us that wick. Can we get a wick here? We want these. We want to see a wick. Where's the rocket ship when you need it? Still going lower. And see, I'm even like, you gotta be like kind of cautious about getting short into that as well, right? Because you're like, do you want to really short, you know, into a big wick like that? Why do you not stream on Kick? Because I'm not gay. I mean, why would I stream on Kick for? Everybody that watches me is here watching. Nobody goes on Kick. Like literally nobody. Not one person. I mean, if Kick wants me to go on their platform, then they can pay me $1 million, but I'm not going to go on platforms that don't why? You'd have to be a retard to go stream on Kick. Also, like, I'm not poor, so I don't need multiple streams, you know. I'm so rich. Yeah, exactly. Everyone's like, what is Kick? I don't even know what Kick is. It's another streaming platform. Kick reached out to me. Kick did reach out to me before, but they wouldn't give me money, so I said I'm not going. So that's why. Yeah, I get companies all the time that message me about doing deals and stuff, and I'm like, okay, give me $1 million. And if they're like, what? I'm like, okay, never mind then. Like, there's no reason, you know, for me to do anything for free anymore. I'm not here for friendships. I'm here to make money. I even had Kraken, you know, the Bitcoin Kraken, the massive exchange. They reached out to me and wanted me to promote them. They told me that they would do a revenue share with me, but I told them that I wanted $1 million up front and then the rev share. And they said, well, are you crazy? I said, no, I'm BDH, baby. Give me $1 million or shut the fuck up. I just have no reason to water down my brand at this point. Look at this 5-minute candle right now playing out exactly like we talked about, right? Look at that. Look at that wick on the bottom of that candle. Is that funny? That is funny. I always laugh when that happens, right? How did that just happen? Like I said, there was no reason to get short because you had that big wick there. So this 5-minute candle is doing exactly what we just talked about, right? It needed to pull back, put in a wick there, and that's exactly what it's doing. So we got news here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, news. Little dip here on the news. News is out. News is out. Will they hold 600s? Will they hold 600s here? Will they hold 600s here? A little bit of trouble. A little bit of trouble. Yeah, Nvidia continuing to sell down here, so the shorts might be in play If we start to lose the bottom of this opening range, we'll see, but just being patient. I mean, at this point, we just can wait. Because I think, basically, if we lose the opening range low, you got 29,440 down there next. And that's the gap fill, right? That would be to fill the gap there, possibly. I don't hate, like, I'm gonna see if we retest 600 one more time. I might try a little short here. Oh, God. Oh, God. Now, fucking, there's the short. I could have got that money right there. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Yeah, I think it... Oh, my God. I just missed that again. It popped up. I was about to short right there at 590, and then it just dips right back down. Big move down here. This 5-minute candle all the way to the bottom of this... Oh, my God. Fuck me. You got to be kidding me. Just now I can't get short. Oh, my God. I've not just... I was going to short there twice. We need rips at the BDH. Rips won't go to the BDH because he can't leave Las Vegas. Ask him about it. Got some indecision here. All right, we dipped all the way through the bottom of this range. So the question now, is this going to be a trap? You know? Is this going to be a trap? Or do we push lower? This 5-minute candle looking convincing. A lot of wicks here. What you doing? Okay. You sleepy? No, you're like, going for a walk. Get energetic, girl. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. Why'd you come out here? Go back in your bedroom. Go back in your bedroom with your sexy lingerie. I will not, you cannot tempt me. You cannot tempt me with that sexy lingerie, girl. Yeah, go back to your bedroom. Put your little house slippers on. All right, it's like, you know, you just got to be careful here because we're at the, we just like, we swiped the bottom of that opening range, then we pushed right back up in there. So, you know, the NASDAQ loves to do that kind of shit. So, yeah, you just got to be patient right there. It does look, I mean, it's fucking, it's the FOMO is real right now. I'm like about to get baited into this fucking short here. Stay out for now. Stay out for now. Stay out for now. Yeah, 1 hour chart. Obviously, we swipe the lows. Had the news come out. It's only been 5 minutes into that hourly candle, so. Nvidia is dumping. 216s on Nvidia now. 216 on Nvidia. Wow. Downtown like Charlie Brown. This thing is looking, it's looking weak, man. I'm gonna try a short right here. See if we can just dump through these lows again. I'm gonna probably get stopped, but we'll see. I had a moment of greatness. One moment there. Come on, baby girl. Give it to daddy. Yeah. 5-minute candle. Dude, Nvidia is just really dumping right now. Come on, get down there. Get down there. Get down there. Beautiful trade. Not a good entry, but overall, I think it played, right? That played. So, that plays. Someone says, don't do it. Well, don't worry, Coach Feb. I'm here and you're there. So, making money live. We're doing it. No one does it like this. I show every trade. The winners, the losers. The winners, the losers. We're doing it. It's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. It's Fresh Cash Friday. Got to see maybe if Nvidia is going to find a buyer down here. Do we try a Nvidia long in the Warbucks account? Is that a crazy idea? Let's try it. It's hard to bet against Nvidia. You know what I mean? I'm trying a little long here for like a quick scalp in my Warbucks account on Nvidia. See if we get a bounce down there. Don't bet against Nvidia. Got NQ trying to hold. We're trading stocks on Warbucks, BTC.com. Got Nvidia pulled up right here. Can you talk more about Warbucks? Yeah, so you can trade stocks like Nvidia, Tesla, Meta, and more. We use basically, it's like a trading view chart. Very simple to trade. Look at that. Another winner? Another winner here today on it. Dude, I mean, come on. Come on, chat. You got to give it to me today. Come on, can somebody give it to me today? Just give me the W's. Give me the W's. Give me the W's, chat. Haters gonna hate, players gonna play, baby. We're back. We're playing today. We ain't done. They thought I was gonna quit yesterday. They thought I was gonna go. They thought I was gonna never come back. They were like, this guy's he's gonna quit. I said, no, sir. This is just the beginning. One red day does not make you a bad day trader. Remember that. I want everyone, hey, no bullshit, right? I think too many people think that losing money as a day trader is a sign of being a bad day trader, but it happens. The best of the best have lost money day trading, right? You know what I mean? Like, it's normal. We need to make it normal again to be okay with having a red day. This whole like stigma that if you have a red day, you're a bad day trader. That is bullshit. All the gurus online, they're not showing you their losses. Like, that's the truth, right? They don't show you. They're blowing accounts. They really are, but they're not showing you. At least with me, I showed you. Right? And that is the truth. The problem is everybody wants to talk, but nobody wants to walk. And guess what? We're over here walking, talking, walking. A walk, talking, a talk, walking. I'm a talker, a walk, talker, a talker. You know what I mean? True story. So, that is the truth. And not enough people will say it. And it pisses me off so much because they all think that they're living in their little fucking... They're living in their ivory fucking towers of amazingness. Oh, Patrick Wieland, he blew an eval today. He's terrible. That guy's so bad at trading. Why would anybody watch him? Like, that's literally the comments that I read online. People are like, why would anybody watch you? Nobody's gonna learn anything. You're a terrible, terrible trader. And it's just like, what? You know, like, what? What? Like, what are you talking about? Like literally, what the fuck are you talking about? God, insanity. All right, right now, I mean, this looks like it's gonna be kind of like trying to push back up here now, right? Don't it? It looks like that. Like, it really does. Right there to the VWAP again, right? So, see what happens here at the VWAP. You got 5-minute candles, wicking for now. We get back through this VWAP area, things get interesting, especially if you're short. You do not want it to be short. Someone said stop being butthurt. I'm not butthurt at all. Like, that's also, see, I talk, guys. This is a live stream, right? I'm not every fucking minute of the day is an opportunity to trade, right? There's opportunity to also just kind of sit back and talk. So right now we just talking. There ain't really much to do right here. This is a very, like, I wouldn't want to get short here. Why? Well, look, right? We got two big wicks there. It's just like not a spot to get short at. Ideally, what we'd love to see, I think at this point, if you're looking for the long, we need to basically get back above this level, and then we're looking for the longs, right? That's what we're looking for. Yeah, yesterday's high is right there as well, 552, so that makes sense. We're kind of bouncing there now. The rocket analogy, it really is though, right? Because if you look at the chart, right? If you look at the chart and you look at the candles, the candles are going to tell you, you know, they're going to tell you kind of what you're seeing, right? Like up here, we got stuck there overnight, and look, that was that kind of the rocket to move down, the pressure. So I mean, it's not rocket science, or maybe it is rocket science, because like right now, it's like, what do we got? Well, this is our opening price. We got these pushed back up here. So you got to be thinking that, well, do I want to get short into this pushback up here, or would I rather just wait to see what happens? You know, let's wait and see what happens. We waiting. We're watching. We want more of it. We try so hard and can't rise above it. I don't know what to do without my pretty little lady. We're looking. We're loving. We want some more of it. What kind of rocket has flames on both sides? That's called a chop rocket. That's a choppy rocket. That is a choppy rocket. And see, this is just chop right now. When you have big wick, and then a pullback into those big wicks again, guess what? That's just chop. That's all that is. That is all that is. All right, the good news is we passed my Tradeify accounts today. We're back. I'm going for that live bonus. I want that live bonus. You know, right now you can get 5 account a bundle, right? You can buy 5 accounts at one time with Tradeify. I like it. I want it. So, yeah, these are the Tradeify accounts. We started these accounts, on Wednesday? We made 3,000, 3,000, and then 2,000. So they're 150K Tradeify accounts, and we have now locked them in secured. We are secured. We have secured the bag. The bag is secured. The bag is secured. So shout out to Tradeify. We did it. We did it. We did it. We did it. PW is a Tim McGraw fan. Hey, the watermelon crawl. if you drink, don't drive. Do the watermelon crawl. It's a good one. That's a good one right there. Do you trade growth or select accounts? These are selects. These are 150K select accounts with Tradeify that we passed today. See, look. The chop, guys, like this is just what we said, right? Like, look at that. This is why we don't go short into those big wicks down there, because this is what happens. You just get chopped out there. That is like, this is a short's worst nightmare. Because what's funny is if you look at, like, you know, the smaller time frames, it might look like a good short because you're like, oh, look, it keeps getting denied. But then if you go to the bigger time frames, that's when you're like, oh, you know, oh. So Michael said, good call on the chop. Was thinking puts below VWAP. Yeah, I mean, I just think this has got to clean up somehow. Right now, it's just not cleaning up. PW, tell me the truth. You sang Pickup Man. I did. I don't know if I can sing that one. Wait, I got it. I gotta think about it for a second. Ain't nothing. Fuck, what's it go? How's it go? Fuck, I forgot the lyrics for some reason. That's a good song too, the pickup truck. Michael met me at Naughty Dog a while back. Let's go. All right. See, because like what we basically want to see now is we want to see, you know, these higher time frames starting to agree. You know what I mean? Like right now, like if this 15-minute candle can start to like pull back down here and put it on wick up top, well then we're starting to see that the selling pressure is holding it down. So we kind of need that there. So you had those push back up. Now you got indecision. So this candle right here is going to tell us what's going to happen next, right? If this candle starts to break back to the downside, well, then I think we could go lower from there. So the problem is you just like got to wait here. Could just be the short though. Could just be a short. Getting rejected. That 5-minute candle got rejected hard. Got 2 minutes left on that 5-minute candle here. 2 minutes. If we break 560, I'll try a short. If we break 560 here. Maybe even now. I'm gonna try it right now. Let's see if that's a bad idea or a good idea. I like it. I'm not going to be too greedy here just because we're in this kind of chop zone here. Almost a W there. Almost. Wow. Gotta love that. Literally. I don't even know. One little tip from Phil in there. How you gonna do that to me, Nasdaq? How you gonna do that to me? Just one little tick. I wanted 20 points. I got greedy. Someone says, why does it do this every day? Just to make our life hurt. Market just wants us to hurt. All right, almost. I might just, oh my God, no. Ugh. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna go stop break even here. And then 33s is my target down there. That's 20 points though, if you got it. W's in the chat. I want W's in the chat here. All right. Oh my God, just fill me. Get me out there. I just don't like when it starts chopping around like this. There we go. All right, we're out. So from the 63s down there to the 46s, we'll take it. And there's 43. So that's 20 points. 20 points, chat. We have not had a losing trade yet. We went from a nothing but losing trades yesterday to back to green today. Why? I mean, it's just how it is sometimes. I think too many people get caught up in this idea that you got to be a perfect trader to make money, but you really don't. You don't have to be perfect. You just got to, honestly, I think the hardest part for most people is you just got to stay alive. You know, like that is the truth. I know it like sounds, you know, just like every other bullshit online, but like that truly is the answer, right? Like if you really want to make money doing this shit, you just got to stay alive for a long enough time. And that means like you got to be able to manage your bankroll, right? You can't blow up all your money in the first month of trading, right? You got to stay alive in this market because you're only going to become a better day trader the longer that you do this shit. right? But you gotta like go through the fire. And that's why I always tell people, when you first start out trading, the best thing to do when you first start trading is to take it slow, you know, and just try to go for small winners. Keep your your losses small. You don't need to go out and mortgage your house to put all your money in the bank account. There's this move down. It looks like we could start waterfalling down now. That short is paying. We were short there at the 63s. Now we're down there 30s. So. The resurrection of PW from yesterday. I mean, the funny part is I was like, hey, I'm not stopping until I pass these accounts. You know, I said that. And, yeah, it was a bad day to do that, but I did it. So, I did it. Someone says, Patrick, I was down 20G this week following you in D-Money. Now I'm up 60,000 as of today. What? What did you do, sir? Sir, you're doing something wrong. Doing something wrong, chat. You can see here, these are my payouts. People, they forget sometimes, you know, they forget that I've gotten paid out. 600,000 from in one payout back there. 355,000 in June of last year. That's from one account. Market's starting to pull back here. We were on the top of the live top 10 live traders at Tradeify as well. $170,000 in a live account there. NASDAQ starting to move down here. Here's the dump. Uh-oh, everything's pulling back here. Uh-oh. The AI bubble is popping. AI bubble's popping. Gotta love it. Gotta love it, chat. Well, my Apple's up and my Nvidia's down, so it gets like a wash today. Wow. Big dump here. Wow, look at that. That would have been a nice little, could have held that short there. That would have been, oof. Coulda, shoulda, woulda, right? But now we're starting to get this move down, so we can be more aggressive on shorts now. Let's see if we can get another bear flag to kind of form here. Push back up a little bit. Going for that gap fill, possibly. Sergio says we want D money back. Hey Sergio, I'm happy that you want D money back, but right now it's the PW show. So Sergio, I would like you don't delete his thing. Leave it. Denny, don't delete it. Just leave it. Leave it. Let him leave it. I don't care. Again, like, I don't know why people think like, oh Patrick, we just want D money. That's fine. I want you to want D money. Because guess what? Next week when I'm in Mexico flying around in my helicopter, drinking pina coladas, you know, just living the dream, well, D money will be streaming all next week. So you can have them all next week. Don't worry. It's all good, man. All right, we'll see if we get a little bit of a pushback up here for a short stop, a short setup here. Pina colada doesn't do shit. What do you mean? What do you mean it don't do shit? What do you mean a pina colada don't do shit? I mean, no offense to D Money. I fucking love D Money. He's awesome. I fucking love D Money. I fucking love D Money. I'll make that very clear. I love D Money. But at the same time, like, I built this channel to what it was, to what it is, right? I built this channel to a point where I was able to hire D Money. Like, no offense to D Money. I fucking love the guy. But at the end of the day, like, I put in 8 years of my life to build this up to what it is. And it's just like, I know how everyone just wants to troll me, but I mean, at the end of the day, this is my channel, right? I built the channel. Like, it's mine. You know, we winning. So I don't know what that music was. Like if it wasn't for PW, no one would know who D Money is, right? And that's just like the truth. It is what it is. It's not personal. It's just it's the truth. I built the fucking empire. There's a reason that I'm the biggest YouTube future streamer on YouTube. I built this. And I love him. I love D Money for it. But at the same time, it's like I built this shit. This is what I love too, right? Like I'm so good at social media. This post right here got 52,000 views, got 86 comments, right? And it's just a post of me blowing evals yesterday. Right? Like, and it's just like you just know that all the people, they want to post about, they want to talk about, I give people what they want. I give them the show, baby. I give them a show. I ain't worried about it. I'm winning. All right, we had this little pushback up here now. I'm just like, are we gonna get followed through here today, or is this gonna be a chop right back up? I just don't like all that. Look at this. This is not very bearish, right? Like that's a lot of strength back up here. I would not get short when you see like dump, and then just green right back up. You got to be careful there. So, what is the different strategies that you and D Money use? Are they different? No. D Money watched me for 2 years on YouTube. We trade exactly the same. Me and D Money literally trade exactly the same. So I don't know why people will be like, "Oh, Patrick, D Money he's someone." We literally have the same exact fucking strategy. Like, I wouldn't have hired D Money if he didn't trade like me. Like, think about that, right? Like, I'm gonna try a quick long here to see if we can just pop up through this again. Quick 10 points. I'm not gonna be greedy because we're still kind of like chopping down here. Trouble for now. Oh, look at that. You gotta love when you get those, like, the fucking boom, baby. Ooh, I love it. I want it. I need it. I want it. I get it. I get it. I don't even know how many trades that is today, but I absolutely just I don't even know how many trades is that today, chat. How many wins is that today? Anybody know? How many money is that? How much money is that? How much money is that? I can't even count them. We winning too many. Winning all wins today. 6 trades today, back to back. Look at that. We were trading Nvidia as well. Look, it's still going higher, by the way. So like I said, again, what's the lesson here, right? When the market is dumping and we're bearish and we're selling off, well, you should not get 2 bullish candles like that to push back up. That is not a good sign, right? Look at how strong these candles, basically bullish engulfing all the way back up. So that's exactly why I got long right here and it's still pumping. The reason I didn't hold for longer was just because we were at the bottom of that opening range, and I'm okay to give it some time to get back above the VWAP here, right? That's all. So sometimes red, sometimes green, sometimes good, sometimes bad, but that's just welcome to the world of trading. You cannot judge a trader by one day. That's for sure. Because this shit it's a marathon, baby. I like this. I like the if we can reclaim the VWAP here, I think the bulls could come back in, right? Like it's kind of doing the same shit as yesterday, where it was trying to go lower but just could not go lower. So let's get back above the VWAP here. What time is it? It's only 10:30. So, I mean, going into that 11 o'clock hour, we should get something happening here. If we look at the hourly chart right now, look at that hourly candle. Remember, this hourly candle went straight down basically when it opened there with that news and stuff. And look at how we're putting in a big wick on the bottom of that hourly candle now. So if we start to look at the higher time frames, where are the wicks, right? We have a big wick up top here, but now we have this big wick down here. So 30-minute is kind of indecisive. 15-minute, I'd say, is a little bit more, well, you know, this is pretty bullish. That's a pretty bullish looking candle. This candle right here. We punched through the bottom of the opening range. Remember, we have not taken out the opening range high yet. So I like the punch. Azaria says, as an affiliate, do you get all of your things for free? No, I don't. Yesterday I bought Lucid evals for $199. That's in my Amex account. Spent $13,000 yesterday. And in total for the month of May, we've gotten over $30,000 in payouts from Lucid. So, you know, I think it is what it is. It is kind of, it's trading, man. Spend money, make money. That's literally all it is. You got to spend it to make it. This is my favorite too. Some guy, he's like, bro, I've been following you for a long time and watch your streams. Are those payouts all trading or trading plus affiliate commissions? Guys, do you think Apex would be posting December 2024 top payouts? And you think that would include my affiliate commissions? Like, come on. Like, what are we talking about here? What are we talking about here? What are we talking about here, chat? What are we talking about here? This was on the Tradeify top leaderboard for the live accounts. My affiliate commissions, what are you talking about? My affiliate commissions are way bigger than that, okay? This thing is bulling out right now. God damn. Look at that thing. All the way back to the 600. So this is doing exactly what we wanted to see it do. Right? Let it push back up there and then build out a bit of a bull flag. You know, let it push back up there and build out a little bit of a bull flag would be... Because, I mean, honestly, like we said, this is kind of, you know, that was that slope that we were looking for. Now we just got to see if we can actually get that break. We're trying to get back above the VWAP here. We've got the overnight high was 664, and then the opening range high is 715. So she's looking good. Just need to get like a little pullback here. What's the difference between a live and funded accounts? Don't worry about it, man. Don't worry about it. If you don't know, you don't know. Don't worry about it, because just worry about just trading. Don't worry about what kind of accounts. We got Rumo. He says he is short at 29,581. Expecting a sharp pullback to the downside. Well, it went up 20 points since you started that short, so I feel bad for you, son. I feel bad for you, son. I like these. I like the longs here. I just want to like get a little bit more of a pullback. If we can, I want to touch that VWAP again, right? Give me like a push off that VWAP. This 5-minute candle just opened, so like you're not like in a huge rush here, but the market is bulling out right now. We just need Nvidia to start pushing back up, and this thing has legs. I'm watching right now on the 1-minute chart. What I would like to see, obviously, is like a tap of this area one more time, that 580s one more time, right? and then continuation here. Let's go. Real Marine Sniper got a free account from Warbucks. Shout out to the veterans out there. Memorial Day weekend. Let's go. We got more giveaways here today, Denny. Where's Denny at? Where the fuck is Denny at? God damn it. There it goes. Pumping, pumping, pumping. The Bulls are back. Oh, man. All right, all right, all right. We're trying to be patient here. And right now, let's go boom to the boom. Denny was waiting for me to ask. You hear that, chat? He was waiting for me. You think he should be waiting for the boss man, or should he just be getting it done? We need more. We need 1,000 likes here. That's for sure. Right now we got 800 likes on the chat. What are we doing, chat? What are we doing? What are we doing? What should we give away today? What accounts? What accounts do you want? Let's see. We'll do a poll. Tradeify, Lucid, or who else do we got? TPT. Doing a poll here in the chat. What should we give away today? The poll might not actually matter because we might only have certain accounts to give away anyway, but let's just see what you guys would like. You know, what would you like? Oh my God. You guys are crackheads for Lucid. People love Lucid right now. It's crazy. How do so many people love Lucid? What do y'all love? Why do y'all love Lucid so much? That's crazy. Poor Tradeify and Take Power Trader, they got no love. No love in the chat over here. Man, oh man, NASDAQ, what are you doing? This is always this is when you get that FOMO, man. The FOMO is real. Like looking at this right now, you're like, you just want to get in on it, but trying to get a pullback here first. Got to keep this green streak going. Remember, like we want to see the trap before we get trapped, basically. So this is looking good. Little pullback here. Bounce. Let's get down in there to that EMA again. Oh, all right. I'm just gonna try a long here. Doing stops down there. Let's see if we can't get a push through here now. I like that reaction, right? That reaction right before getting to the EMA there. So. I'm keeping this streak going, boys. We're going for 10 points today. 600, up there to the 10s. We'll take it. It might go higher. But hey, after yesterday, I think we just needed to come back. We needed to get back to our roots, right? We needed to get back to the reason why the BDH is the biggest and the largest, right? We needed to get back to why people from around the world tune into this show every day, right? Why is it that we're the most watched live stream on YouTube, right? Because we make money. Right, so yesterday was an anomaly. It was an anomaly yesterday. You know what I mean? It was an anomaly. Today, we are back. We are green. It is Fresh Cash Friday. We didn't give up. We didn't stop. We're going to keep on going, baby, because we are made for this shit. We are made for this shit. Think about it. There's people out there who have 5, 6, 7. They got so many people trying to fucking, do what I do, and I'm a one-man band. I'm a one-man band. I'm over here switching the cameras, doing the chat, got the poll, got the money, got the giveaways, got the top. That energy drink's hitting hard right now. The energy drink is hitting hard right now. And by the way, then it's still going higher, by the way. Just putting it out there. It's still going, Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? Just look at it. Patrick, why do you look so good today? Because it's Fresh Cash Friday, baby. This is my favorite day of the week. I'll wake up in the morning, I'm rock hard. It might be a little bit because Victoria's laying next to me, but in general, I'm rock hard when I wake up in the morning. I don't know. You guys do, is that a problem for you guys? How do you guys combat that? What do you guys do to combat the rock hardness in the morning? You guys wake up with I'm just fucking like this, just fucking looks like a little baby's arm down there, little fucking holding a peach. Rock hard morning, man. You go pee? Damn, that's all you gotta do. I thought you had to do something else. It's proof you have healthy testosterone, dude. If having a boner's proof of having healthy testosterone, I'm rock hard all the time. If you know what I mean. Right now, the Nasdaq's still going higher. We got our little pullback, but then look at that pump. Look at the pump. Ugh. All right, here we go. Back up there to the pivot point now. Middle of the 15-minute range. We're making money live. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. It's free to like, free to subscribe. Take Profit Trader also 50% off right now. I don't know how much longer that's going to last. I don't know how much longer that's going to last, but we'll see. Take Profit Trader. Ding, 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 ding. 50% off. Use the code PW. The code PW is what you got. You know, by the way, I know there's a lot of options out there. There's a lot of influencers, a lot of people with codes these days. But, you know, it's not that I'm like over here just, you know, spamming the fact that you should use code PW, use code PW. But honestly, let's think about it, right? PW. It's easy. It's simple. It's a P. It's a W. You win. PW. You know what I mean? It's simple. It's easy. It's Fugazi. The best part is I was the first affiliate in the entire space to have a code that was only 2 letters. That's how fucking smart I am, chat. I'm so fucking smart that I saw the future, right? I went to Apex. When I first signed up with Apex, I told Apex, I said, Apex, I want PW in my code. You know what they told me? They're like, that code's too short. It's too short. I'm like, no, it's not. That code is it's the one. It's the one. And then now everybody has a two-letter code. Isn't that crazy? I literally set the trend in this space. I fucking set the trends, okay? Look at this breakout right now. That's 100 points. Well, not 100, but it's getting close. You can see, again, what are we talking about here? I want to run this back. This is educational as much as it is, you know, fun entertainment. Just one more time, right? We talked about this very simple idea. If you're looking for a long, what do you want it to look like? You want the trend to be like this, the pullback. If you're looking for a short, you want the trend to be like this, because think about it like this, right? For a long, you want to get long at the bottom. For a short, you want to get short at the bottom. So that way it goes like that when a long, and then a short goes like that. You are riding the waves, my friend. The market moves in waves. And I know this sounds very, very stupid. And everyone's going to laugh at me, right? Everyone's going to laugh at me. But I'm telling you guys, there is no strategy. There is nothing in this whole entire fucking world, right? There is nothing in this whole entire world that makes trading easier than this one simple strategy. All right? It's simple. Very fucking simple. Think about it like this, right? The market moves in what? It moves in waves. So when the market's going up, what does it do? It goes up, it pulls back, it goes up, it pulls back. This is not the best drawing, but let's just do it like this again, right? That's the wave. This is what the market looks like when it's going higher. It's pushing up, it's pulling back. It's pushing up, it's pulling back. So as a bullish momentum trader, all we're waiting for is what? We're waiting for that opportunity where the market pulls back, and then we get the slope. We want that slope. This is what the slope looks like, the slope, right? There needs to be the slope there. Look at the market still pushing higher here. We're doing educational while making money live on YouTube. If the market's moving down, what does it look like? It looks like this, right? It's moving in waves. Very simple. Same thing, right? That's like your channel, the bear flag. Where do you want to be getting short at? You want to be getting short at the top of the wave before it rolls over. So same idea. Just change your angles. I'm telling you. They're not listening to me, but I'm telling you right now that this will change your trading forever with this one simple belief. If you simply fucking believe that the market moves in waves, and you got to really believe it. You know what I mean? You got to really fucking believe it. Because that makes you basically wait for pullbacks. It makes you wait for better setups. It puts you into a spot where you're patient, right? You're looking for the right opportunities. You're not just jumping into every trade. So that is 100% true. The Elliott wave theory, it's not really the Elliott wave theory. It's just simple trading, right? Market goes up, market pulls back, market goes up. That's how it is, right? It looks like Tory line strategy. Guys, Tori Trades is a fucking cunt who literally is basically an OnlyFans model at this point. She does not have a strategy. All right, I don't want to hear no Tori Trade lines. Tori Trades is not a fucking, get out of here with this shit. I'm just kidding. But honestly, like, nobody owns the trend line. You know, it's nobody owns a bull flag. They've been fucking, back when Tori Trades was still in fucking high school playing with Barbie dolls. You know what I mean? She was playing with Barbie dolls in high school. I guarantee it. You can just tell she was a Barbie girl. Back when Tori Trades was in high school playing with Barbie dolls, I was still, actually, she's old, never mind. When she was in high school, I was in high school, but I was not playing with Barbie dolls. But at the end of the day, she don't know shit about shit. And that's the truth, all right? Get out of here, get out of here, chat. This thing's just grinding right now, just grinding, right? It's hard when it gets in these like grinds, because you're just like, are we gonna get a pullback? Do we try another long here? Right, like what do we got? We haven't had any consolidation. So let's see, maybe if we like dip down into here and then swipe back up, maybe I'll look for a setup. How old am I? I'm 37 years old, and I'm definitely better looking than Tori Trades. If you ask the AI, right? If you take a picture of Tori Trades and you take a picture of me and you ask the AI who is, you know, better looking as a human being, simple. If it was me and Tori Trades on an island and you had to pick one person to spend the rest of your life with, let's be honest. You know what I mean? Let's just be honest, chat. Yeah, Tori's my age. She's old. But you know what I mean? Like, let's be honest. If you had to spend the rest of your life on a deserted island, who would you pick? You would pick me, because you'd be like, dude, hey, at least, you know, Patrick would be funny. You know, he'd be funny. Like, we could make jokes and stuff and laugh. Man, this thing is just like bowling out right now. What an annoying push back up here. I'm gonna try a long here and see if we can't ride this trend higher. Or I just go for 10 points. Real easy. Let's see if we get quick 10 points here. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. No way, Jose. No fucking way, Jose. There's no way, Jose. Jose, no way! No way, Jose! No way, Jose! No, oh! No way, Jose! Oh man, chat. Are you guys? Hey, how are we feeling today? I don't see so many trolls in the chat today. You know, where are all the trolls at? I don't see them all. Where'd they go? I don't see them. It's the weirdest thing. Guys, I haven't had one losing trade today. You know? You know? I should come out with a rap. Ooh, that might be pretty funny. I could come up with that. I need ChatGPT to write my rap though. We got any rap? Any producers in the chat who wanna help me write the day trading diss track? It's gotta be good though. I'm asking ChatGPT who's hotter. If you mean hotter as in attractiveness, that's only subjective. Between Tori Trades and PW, different people are going to pick different vibes. Tori Trades has a polished influencer trader aesthetic and a big social media following. You couldn't find PW? Oh no! Fucking ChatGPT just busted my bubble. Just bursted my bubble. Damn it! This is fucked up, man. That's fucked up. God damn it, ChatGPT. Patrick Wieland, man. All right, Patrick Wieland, let's try it again. If you're talking pure internet aura, Patrick Wieland probably has the more chaotic alpha energy, supercars, straight trading streams, fishing, loud personality, millionaire trader branding, all that. He's built a huge audience around being the #1 day trader on YouTube. If you like flashy, confident, crazy energy, Patrick Wieland. If you like polished, attractive, influencer vibe, Tory Trades. Get the who the fuck? ChatGPT, you're fucking cooked. You're cooked, ChatGPT. You're cooked. Fucking cooked. Well, how is it? Look, how is this polished? Her crying. Guys, I just don't know what I'm gonna do. I had to book an Airbnb with all my money, and the money is so hard being alone. Like, look, dude, it's not even good tears. That's not even good, dude. That's not even good tears. I cry better than that. I cry better than that. God fucking damn it. God, you guys are, these fucking people, man. These motherfucking, God, she is so fucking cooked. Like, she's like trying so hard to, like, what is that? What the fuck is, what is this? I'm so grateful. What? Come on. Come on. What is this? She's still going. Dude, what is this like a thing? Is this what girls do? Is this what girls do? They just like cry on YouTube now and just fucking make millions of dollars? God. Like, it's just like, what is this? Who the fuck wipes their eyes like this? Who the fuck like, what is this? Guys, guys, my trading is, I'm so alone. My trading is, I'm so lonely. I went on Tinder last night, and the only people on Tinder, they're broke boys. And I don't know what it, I don't know, I'm rich. And it's just, it's so hard. It's so hard it's so hard. I can't. I can't. This ain't even real life. This ain't even real life. That ain't even real life. God, like, Stella, you think I have a crush on Tory Trades? You think I have a crush on Tory Trades? Are you fucking kidding me? I wouldn't touch Tory Trades with a 10-foot pole. Tory, are you crazy? Nah, I just like good comedy. I just like to laugh. It's good comedy, chat. I like good comedy. Look at it. Look at my Tory. I got a Victoria. My Victoria way better. Look at this. Look at them boobies popping out. No tears needed. Tory Trades is also like 5 foot tall. I'm sorry, but if you're not at least 5'8" as a girl, you can't be hot. That's the truth. I mean, I'm not even trying to lie, but like, I'm just being honest. Can y'all agree with me, right? Y'all better agree with me in the chat. Y'all better agree with me. If a girl is like 5 foot tall, it's impossible to be hot. She might be like cute, but she can't be hot. Like, a girl can never be hot if she's fucking 5 foot tall. It's the truth. No, don't even, it's truth. It is true. 100%, it is true. It's because of the Because think about it like this. It's all about proportions, right? The golden proportions. You can't have a girl that is 5 foot tall cannot have good proportions. It's true. Like it's true. Victoria, come here. What are you doing? I got a question for you. The chat they don't agree with me. That a girl cannot be hot if she's short. Like she can be cute, but she cannot be hot. You know what I mean? Like you'll never, like a hot girl cannot be short. They can be cute. Nothing wrong with being short and cute, but like you can't be hot.
I like the way you think.
I know, but like it's just facts. Like it's just facts.
I think she could be sexy with like curves and stuff.
Yeah, but she's not hot. She might be sexy. She might be like a spinner. She might be fun to fuck, but like she ain't gonna like she cannot be classified as hot.
I think you're confusing the wrong word with hot though, because like hot is very like too fluid.
Okay, like
I think like
you just can't, like the rule of thirds. If you're short, you don't have thirds.
yeah, you could be sexy, you could be cute if you're short, because
Yeah.
whatever. But if you're, it's like more like
you're stubby. If you're short, you're stubby. It's like you're stubby.
But it's also personal preference too.
Yeah, I mean, nothing. Hey, I'm all for it. Like the guys out there that like 5 foot, 300-pound girls, like what's wrong with
What
that?
if a guy's like 5'5", right?
Well, if a guy's 5'5", then you know he might be fucking girls that are 4 foot. I don't know.
What are they saying?
I'm trying to. They think that I think that they're all saying how I have a crush on Tory Trades, and I said there ain't no way. Look, it's all about proportions. No, you got to stand up, show the proportions, right? You got to have the bottom, you got to have the top and the top. It's all about the proportions, guys. Things have to be proportionate. Things must be proportionate. If they're not proportionate, then it won't work. How tall are you?
I'm 5'9".
5'9". Good. That was good thing I didn't say 6 foot. I said 5'8".
What?
Because I was like, a girl can't be hot unless she's at least 5'8".
Yeah, I'm 5'8.5".
Yeah, so thank God. I would have been awkward. What if she was like, I'm 5'6"? I go, oh man. Damn it. Someone said my girl's skinny. Yeah, you know, I used to fuck fat girls, but then I made money and now I have a skinny girlfriend. You know what they say about fat girls? They're like scooters. They're fun to ride, but they're not fun to show off. Shout out to all the fatties out there. Hey, fatties need love too. How tall am I? I'm like 6'1". 6'1", 6 foot, 6'1" on my driver's license. NASDAQ's still pushing higher here. Can we make more money? I got so excited talking about fucking fatties and shorties that y'all got me distracted for a minute. If she ain't 380, she ain't a lady. I mean, there ain't nothing wrong with fat girls. There ain't nothing wrong with fat girls. Denny's in the chat. Denny, tell them the truth. People always think that, right? They always think like, oh, Patrick, you're short. But then look. Look. Just kidding. I wouldn't do that. What? I was just kidding. I wasn't going to do it. Denny, tell them how tall I am in real life. Denny! Denny! Yeah, I'm so fucking tall. I'm tall! Yeah, she's fit, not skinny. Her titties are real nice. Some fit ass titties. God, I'm so crude. The women around the world are gonna start to ban me. Hey, by the way, I love women. Right, I do. I'm a woman supporter. Right? I'll be supporting. I'll be like, I go to strip clubs and I support those single moms. Ain't nobody supported more single moms than me, okay? True story. Ain't nobody supported more single moms than me right here, buddy. That is a truth. So don't even be like, Patrick, you're such a what is misogynistic. You're so much what's a misog? I don't even know what that means, but I'm not. Okay, I'm not misogynistic. Yeah, Victoria's got implants, baby. They're the best. I got them upgraded. No bra needed. Titties out all the time. I'm gonna try a long here. We'll see if my crudeness plays against me, the karma. That's what happens, Patrick, when you talk about fat girls. You lose money. Somebody's gonna say, they're gonna comment. See what happens? That's what happens, Patrick. You talked about fat girls and you lost money. Good job, Patrick. That's your fault, Patrick. You never should have talked about the fatties. God doesn't like when you talk about the fatties. I think God likes the fatties because God made the fatties. You know what I mean? Like, God made fatties, so why wouldn't he like the fatties? That's all I'm saying. You know, that's all I'm saying. If God made it, everybody, he liked fatties. I'd be like, that's cool. That's cool. We like the fatties too. I'm gonna get a lot of emails later from all the people in the chat who are upset about the fatties. Come on! NASDAQ trying to pump out of here. Oh, we got so close to our target. Got so close. Just need a little bit more, a little bit more. Oh my God. Guys, I gotta stop. I gotta stop. I gotta stop. I can't keep doing this. I can't keep doing this. I can't keep making all this fucking money. Oh my Lord. Guys, I can't keep doing this. 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 I can't keep, I'm winning. I keep making the money. Got money. God, trading is so much easier when the market's moving. God, PW, make a poster of Tori wiping her eyes for the background. It's a good idea. It's a good idea. So much for karma. I guess karma don't care about the fatties. I guess they don't care. God. Like, imagine somebody actually like watching this live stream for the first time ever and just being like, what the fuck? What this guy is, he is fucked up. He says some crazy shit, man. He says some crazy shit, man. Edwin said, who is the best? Depends what you're looking for. You know, depends how much you drink that night. I'd say, you know, when you're, you know, if it's like 2 o'clock and you've had about 20 beers, you know, the little 4-foot, 300-pound girl, she'll work. She'll work. She'll work. She'll work. What's the P&L for today? I made so much money I can't even show you. They would, if I showed you how much money I made today, they'd ban me. They'd ban me from making all the money. So we passed the we passed the Tradeify accounts. We had some Tradeify accounts that we passed today. So that was right out of the gate. We traded on Tradeify to lock that in. So that's good. We made, I think, how much we making those? How much do we make in those, daddy? 4 foot tall. There's 4 foot little 300-pound fatties out there. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What you talking about, silly? No, there's definitely some fatties out there. Don't you even say that it's not. Holy shit, you can activate funded on Tradeify? Should I activate it right now? Bro, what the fuck? Oh. What do I do? What should we do? 5-day payouts or daily? I should call Bright Simba. Bright Simba, which one should I do? Which one has a bigger, this one's got a daily loss limit of 1750. This one's got a daily loss limit of 4500. Nah, I think the 5-day payouts is better. I think 5-day payouts is better, honestly. All right? No, I got things. We gotta be loading and packing. I'll go get a coffee with you, but I can't go for a walk. I know, but I gotta call Chuck and get the day going. All right, I'm gonna choose flex. Choosing the flex. All right, we got these accounts. Tradeify activated. I'm gonna activate it. I need your love. Your love. NASDAQ still going higher right now. Oh my Lord. Every time, dude, every fucking time we get in long, it just goes higher. Every fucking time. It's so annoying. Ah! We could have just gone long down here and just held it all the way. Crazy. You gotta love it. You gotta love that. Easy day today compared to yesterday. 100%. You're not wrong. Now we're just not gonna get any pullbacks. Albert said, that's where I said add. Albert, who the fuck are you? Look at this motherfucker, Albert. That's what I told you to add. Hey, Albert. Oh my God, look at fucking Albert. He is cute as fuck. Albert, I would bend you over and make you my little bitch if I ever met you. I bet you'd like that, wouldn't you, little buddy boy? You'd like that, my little Albert. Well, Albert looks like he'd be loving it. Shout out to Albert. He's definitely 5 foot tall. Definitely 5 foot tall. Hey, at least I can make the chat laugh, you know? That's what I'm here for. People be like, Patrick, why do you talk to the chat? I'm like, I'm just here trying to make them laugh, man. Just trying to make chat laugh, that's all. Hopefully you guys are laughing and not hating right now. Because I'm here just trying to spread the love, you know, it's hard. You know, every day I wake up in the morning, it's hard. It's hard. Because I wake up and I'm hard. And I don't know what to do. It's like, what do I do? You know? I don't know what to do. I'm hard. You're hard. Where are you going? She's hard too. Oh my God, look at these abs. Show them abs off. Look at these abs. They're crazy. She's always like, I'm fat.
No, I don't say
you
that.
You say that. You're like, I'm bloated. I'm like,
well,
that's
right
literally, that's a 6-pack, honey. There's a 6-pack there. She got abs on abs. They hating.
Have a sister, yeah.
She got a sister, but she already had a baby. She's old, got a baby. Man. Oh, wow. NASDAQ just going to the fucking moon now. We've had like no pullbacks. I wonder. Either we're going to just keep grinding higher to break out through the opening range, or we pull back here. $1 million question now. If we break above 85, I'll try a long and then try to hold for a 700 push. See if we can get a little tap off that EMA again. Give me a little EMA tap here. All right, so put our line on here, right? We're just waiting for the first candle to break the previous candle high. So basically now it's like above 80s here. Oh, all right, we're in. Oh, we're not in. Fuck! All right, we're in now. God, what a terrible fucking setup there. Terrible entry. I'm gonna add here. Look for a 700 push. Take some off at 95 just to get that out. Keep the fucking 10-pointer going. Oh, so close. So close. There we go. There we go. Looking for 700 to break out now. Right? Let 700 break out. We got our stop kind of trailing here a little bit. Put it like right there. Can we just get a straight up boom candle here? Give me a boom candle. Boom candle it. Boom candle or what? One more candle, boom. One more candle boom. One more boom candle. One more. Boom bitty boom bitty boom bitty boom bitty. This is looking a little dangerous. I could get stopped. I might just take it right here. Let me see if I can just get filled here at 92s. That's still 10 points off of this entry. I just don't want it to like pull back here and for no reason. For no reason. Oh my God. It literally hit my fucking sell order. Didn't fill. All right, we're moving our sell order up now because, well, consolidation. Got a new 5-minute candle here opening. We basically just don't want it back below 70s now. Yeah, it's stalling, that's for sure. Do we get the push off the EMA again? We've been holding this EMA. This is the chance to go. Give me that chance to go here, NASDAQ. Give me that chance. Stalling, trying to break, trying to break, trying to break. Ugh. Staying in it for now. If we can break out through here, we should go through 700 next. This is the 9 EMA on the 1-minute chart. Trade of 8 prop. Shout out to Trade of 8 prop. Copy trading here, Lucid accounts. I'm just gonna take it right there. I hate when it starts stalling. It's probably gonna go, but like, I'm looking at it right now. I'm up $1,000 in these new Lucid funded accounts. We also messed around with some evals there, but we're up $1,000 here in these accounts. And then, well, we had these. These are my Tradeify accounts. It's looking pretty bullish. I'm gonna try another long here. This is my Tradeify accounts for another just pop through the 700 level. Oh, classic. I'll try to add in here. Basically, as long as we can stay above this EMA, I'm bullish. So let's see if we can get a push through here now. $700 is so fucking close. Like, the top of that opening range as well is 720s. So. Trouble, trouble. Trouble bubble. Bubble trouble. I have different tabs open for different Trade of 8 accounts. Is this thing gonna like fucking just dump here now? Ugh. How'd it get all the way up there and then get stuck right below 700? Might have to sit through some drawdown here. Oh, we got the Kevin Warsh swearing in thing. Got to fill up the gas. I like that. Fill up the gas here. Give me a gas pump. Pump, pump, pump it. Consolidation, man. Just consolidating. 5-minute chart looks like we might get more pullback here, to be honest. Unless this is just gonna hold and go. Let's see. We got the opening range high. I think that's a very good target up there. If we can just get through this opening range high, or up to that opening range high, I think that's a good trade, right? Trying to push again. Come on. I'm just trying to get that I need to make $250 every for 5 days for these accounts. These are Tradeify accounts, select accounts. So I realistically don't even need 700 to push, but give it a little bit of room here. Da 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 da. So tight right here. We haven't had like a blow off top yet on this move up. So I think we're okay. We just need to push here. And then we can get that reversal maybe off of the top of the range if they're going to do that, right? So trying to go, I might take a little bit off right here before 700 just in case it gets stuck right there. Oh, come on. There we go. And oh my Lord. Almost filled. Just trying to get 250 here today. 250 is all I need today for these accounts. Literally $250. And then we're done. 250. Boom, baby. Oh my God. 248. Is that, are you fucking kidding me? 248, 48. What the fuck? What in the fuck? You gotta be kidding me. You have gotta be kidding me right now, chat. 240 fucking 8, man. I'm trying one more long here. Get this pop through 700. Just need to make fucking literally like $10. This is the tiniest scalp in the history of scalps. Oh, no, we fucked. Come on. Literally. $20. I did $2. Oh God, now we just lost it all. Now we're gonna lose it all. Now we're gonna lose it all, chat. Going for $20, lose it all. Oh my God, it's edging. It is edging right now. This thing is fucking edging me out, bro. This market's edging right now. Oh, we did it. Oh. All right, so we basically what that does now is if with the we need to make at least $250 of profit in these Tradeify accounts. So we need 5 winning days. I don't think there's a consistency target, is there? Right? I don't think so. So we're good, baby. All right, 1 day done. Those are the select 150K accounts. Tradeify has a deal right now. You can buy 5 accounts with 1 click. You get a discount as well when you bundle them. They got the selects, they got the growth, they got a couple different options. So check them out. Someone said no movement Friday. I mean, I would say this was a pretty good Friday, boys. If you're not green right now, then you're doing something wrong. You're doing something wrong, man. This is, I think, a pretty textbook day of trading. Very, very textbook. And the funny thing is, like we said, right? You kind of, right now, like looking in hindsight, like what was this, right? That kind of that slope that we talked about earlier. In hindsight, what do we have? You know, big wick on the bottom, big wick again there. We broke through the bottom of the opening range. We have not taken out the top yet. Yeah. I'm pretty happy with it. Pretty happy with it. So after yesterday's whole debacle, I think today was just good to kind of come back, get back to the basics, focus on the trades. Don't worry about the haters. Just make money, right? So what account allows 19 contracts? Jalon. What are you talking about? I'm also copy trading 5 accounts. We copy trade 5 accounts. Yeah, you can't bundle the 150K. You gotta, I think it's only 50Ks can bundle. You can bundle the 50K accounts with Tradeify. Dude, Tradeify instant funding. Why not do that? I don't like the consistency rules, right? Isn't that the problem? I think that's my problem. So I haven't like looked at, but yeah, the problem is the consistency rules. So if you look at Tradeify, the consistency, like Lightning funded, there's a 20% consistency. Whereas, you know, the select account is, God, look at that fat fuck. Sorry. There's no consistency in the actual funded account. So I like that. Like, that's good for me because I'm, you know, I like to kind of go for big days and lock that in. So trade of 8 prop, the 50K accounts, use the code PW. They've also got the growth account. The problem is there's no consistency while in, you know, in the eval, but there's a 35% consistency in the funded account. So Ken Shaw said, when Patrick stays focused, he's unstoppable. Hey, 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 hey. You already know. You already know. You already know. So yeah, I mean, I think that would be my play. I think the select 50K flex account is the play, or maybe the daily, but I'd say the flex. So use that code PW. See, because even like they have a code called, you know, May, but let's be honest, that's 3 letters, right? Think about it. If you have to type in 3 letters, right? You type in 3 letters every time you buy an account, you're wasting, I don't know, an hour of your life. You know, every time that extra letter, wasted. That is time wasted, right? We're not here to waste time. We're here to make money. So think about that. Think about that. Think about that. Don't go wasting money. Don't go wasting time. Time is money. Money is time. Is there a daily profit target for once you're funded? There is no daily profit target. In queue pulling back. Yes, I see it. Patience, chat. We got all the way up there to the 700s and pulled back now. So I think we just need to kind of get a little bit of a we need like a higher low on this 5-minute chart, right? So like you kind of want to see like that kind of, you know, same ideas earlier, right? Put your line on there. And that's the great thing about these angles, or, you know, these breakouts, is basically what I look for now, right? I put my line on like this, and realistically it's like I'm just waiting to see if we're gonna put in a higher low down here, right? And then I wait to see if we kind of break out through the previous candle high. You can see how it worked very nicely right here. And the best part about it is you don't have to try to pick the bottom. Look at this thing pumping right now, actually. This could just go fucking, look at that, pump right back up here. It's like breaking out on the 1 minute chart, but it's not like as clean on the 5 minute chart right now. So I like that we wicked up from the bottom there. I mean, if this is like, I kind of like to think about it as like, if this is going to be the low, like what's it going to look like? Like what is a low going to look like? Well, a low is going to look like kind of like a, you know, a dip through that. Kind of the same thing here, right? When you start to get that support, that's when you're going to see these like wicks on the bottom. That's kind of telling you that there's buyers stepping in there on those pullbacks. And then like this right here, right? This is kind of like another like thing where you're like, hey, what does that bottom look like? If it's going to be a bottom, what's it going to look like? Well, it's going to look like, you know, and then buyers just step in and we rip higher. So I kind of think about like, what is this bottom? What should it look like? Well, that's how the bottom should look. It should have those wicks on the bottom and then try to go through those highs. But you know, that's the 1 minute chart. 5 minute chart, we got a wick on the bottom of these two candles and we're trying to push. I mean, realistically, if you wanted to play it safe, you could wait for a breakout through 700, but maybe this is kind of consolidate for a little longer and then we get a better entry like around the 90s or the 80s. But again, look at this pumping. It ain't stopping. It truly ain't stopping. I'm gonna try a long and then try to add into this, depending on how it sets up. I'm putting on one contract per account with the idea that maybe, you know, we just go straight to the moon. But I'm also like, okay if we don't, because I would be cool to like kind of average into this a little bit better. ES is still pumping. We are long here on the NASDAQ now. We'll see if I want to get at least through 700s here and just kind of see how we react to that top of the 15-minute range now. So let's see. Looks pretty good. These highs up here now. Can we blow through these highs? The 5 minute chart, like I said, setting up really nicely. Look how the 5 minute chart is now responding, pushing back up here. So I think, you know, really we got to kind of look to see if we can't get through these 715 area next. Right? How do I define take profit levels? You know, normally I just kind of look for previous resistance areas, then I try to take profit before we get to those levels. So, you know, realistically, it's like, do you want to put your target right at that resistance, or would you rather either kind of expect that we're going to get a blow through, or would rather just take profit below it? Is the best way to really play it. Like right now, to be honest, I'm going to take it right there, just because I'm very happy with that. We're up $1,300 a day in these accounts. And that's it. I mean, another 10 points. So I'm fine with that, right? Like I know it ain't the biggest trade. I don't hold it forever, but I think it's like, since we kind of, you know, we missed out on kind of holding for this like whole move up. So it's kind of hard to keep on, like, you know, it's hard to like stay in it when you're like, I've already gotten out, you know, like I got long here, I got out, I got long here, I got long here, I got out, I got long here, I got out. But let's count this out. Do you ever hold for the whole move? Yeah, I go for 100-point moves. It just kind of, today was a weird setup for me, to be honest. Maybe it was because of yesterday. And then, you know what also happens is the more that I start winning, the faster I start taking profit. And that sounds fucked up, but like, I just kind of get in this like mindset where like, once I haven't had a losing trade today, so it's hard. Like I'm like mentally thinking about the idea that I'm like, hey, I've taken this many trades, and what trade, like if I have a losing trade, that's fine, but you start to like mentally take profit. I think I take profit sooner when I'm like, just like, if I'm kind of like, I've had 7 trades now that are all winners, I start kind of like taking quick profit. But if you look here, these are my Lucid accounts that we got funded yesterday live on YouTube. We had no losing trades today in these accounts. We're up $1,300. So, I mean, I'm not mad about it. And it's just been kind of like slowly grinding higher. If we do like a quick kind of rundown here, right? Let's do a quick rundown. We had from the 54s to the 64s, that's 10 points. From here to here, 10 points. From here to here, 10 points. From here to here, 10 points. Fuck, how many is that? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 10-point trades in these accounts. 60 points. So, yeah, Focus said you start trading the PL. That's real, 100%. You start trading your P&L and you don't trade the actual trades, because that's also like it's a bad habit, right? Because realistically, I would say like this setup right here, or even that earlier setup, I should have really tried to milk that for as much as possible. So that way I can get that 40, 50 point winner. And then that way, if I do have a loser, it's okay. The problem is when you start taking these like quick scalps, it would be very easy to like, basically this thing pulls back and I lose 50 points, right? Patrick, how do you keep a cool head during a losing streak? Fuck if I know. You know what I mean? How the fuck did I know? So, yeah, I don't know. It's hard, man. Trading ain't easy. Like I said yesterday, right? I told you guys, I was like, look, like it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be scary. It might be a lot of red. But I was like, I'm gonna pass these accounts. I don't really care. I'm just gonna pass them. And I did that. Did I blow a few evals along the way? 100%. Just kind of is what it is. We got some evals I could maybe try to trade up here, but I don't know. We'll stay out of it. What do you guys got? You got questions? You got answers? Who wants to talk? Who? Let's do a quick recap here. Get your answers, get your questions in there. We got giveaways coming up as well. Denny, run the giveaways. Put the giveaways up there, Denny. So just quickly to kind of talk one more time about today, right? We talked about a couple, I think, very, very good. My God, those shorts. We talked about a couple, good things that I don't want to say, I guess. Like sometimes I think they're basic ideas, but they end up being good ideas, right? So if you're looking for a long, and it doesn't matter what time frame you're looking at. Let's say you're looking at the 5-minute chart, you're looking at the 10-minute chart, whatever it is, the 1-minute chart. You want to see what? You want to see wicks on the bottom of the candles, right? This is the candle here. That's the wick. Why do you want that? Well, think about it like a rocket ship, SpaceX. Bye. You got a rocket ship kind of set up here. So it's telling you that the buyers are stepping in, especially on these 5-minute candles. Because think about it, it's a 5-minute candle, right? 5 minutes. So if you look and you see, you're like, oh, wow, right? So this candle is 5 minutes long, but the majority of the time, we dip down and then we push right back up, we closed. So during this candle, while it was open, we were pulling back, but guess what? The buyers step in, and we push it back out, we close. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for candles that are kind of showing me, that there's buyers down there. Now, obviously, this is gonna look a little funny because, well, we had, wick, but this right here, this was 10 o'clock. This was news candle. The news candle came out, the market pulled back, and then we went higher. But again, if you look, 5-minute chart, right? It's like every time you look at the low on any of these moves down, what do you always get, right? Every time you get a move down, what do you always get? When we push back up, there's wicks on the bottom of those candles. So like even yesterday, wick on the bottom of those candles, but it's over and over, same thing. What do we have here for a reversal, right? Wicks on the bottom of those candles, 5-minute chart. It's kind of the same thing over and over. You're looking for these wicks to kind of tell you like, hey, look, a lot of wicks on the bottom of these candles. There's your breakout, bam. Obviously, it sounds and looks a lot easier in hindsight, but I think the more that you kind of like talk yourself through the trade, right? The more that you're kind of watching the trade and you're kind of talking yourself and you're like, okay, this candle just opened. So right now, like there's no reason to get long right here until what? Well, there's like a convincing candle, wick that gets me excited. So same thing here, like wick, that's what you want to see. If we talked about it earlier, if you're watching, we said we were watching these candles and we're like, hey, you want to see a wick basically form, you know, here, like a wick needs to form here. And that's what it ended up doing. And then it blasted to the moon. So it's like the more that you can kind of talk yourself through the trades and kind of be like, okay, you know, what do I want to see happen? I want to see a pullback. I want to see the bounce. I want to see the wick, right? If I can do that, if I can like talk myself through the trade, it makes it a lot easier to trade, right? The more that you can kind of like talk yourself through it, the better. Like right now, you're like, as this is pulling back, you're like, okay, there's our wick. Here's our push. You know, like, is this now going to be continuation? Do we push to the 720 to the overnight high or the opening range high? That would be the play there. So, I mean, this is like, if you look 1 minute chart right now, we are just kind of, you know, putting in higher lows. I'm gonna try a quick long here. Like, I'm not gonna go for much, to be honest. It's gonna be like a 5-pointer just to like get it. I think it'll pop. If it doesn't pop, then I might have to hold it for a little longer. But it's kind of like we're gonna play that. A little bit of trouble there. I'll try to add right here 700. The better entry would have been like here, right? At the 97s, not the 702s, but I'm good, thank you. Ugh. Let's get chopped here. Uh-oh. Top of that range, chopping now. Basically, if we get back below this wick, we're in trouble, so and try to add a little bit more there. 5-point trade goes into a losing trade really quickly. Why don't you place limit orders on the EMA? Well, I mean, yeah, that's good in theory. It doesn't always work. Does not always work. Do 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 do. Yeah, this is not my favorite setup here. I was all excited talking about those fucking beer flags, the bull flags, and then looked over here and I went, ooh, just, ooh, it hurts. Yeah, no, for sure. For sure. Trouble here. Going into, what is it? Almost not even 11:45 yet. Yeah, fuck. We're trying to make something happen here where we probably shouldn't be. We should just get out right now, but for entertainment purposes, let's see if we get a pump here. One more little pump. No more little pump. She wants it. Just got to get through 700 again here. We should be good. Bump it through 700 here. Bump it. Bump it. Bump it. Bump it. Bump it. Bump it. Pump it. Pump it. Come on, baby. Just got to get a little dance. Little dance, little money dance. Come on. Oh, wow. Blue line of death. The blue line of fucking death. The blue line of death. Isn't that crazy how your entry can turn into resistance like that? You just gotta love it sometimes. It's kind of funny. It's kind of funny. You know what I mean? Like, it's kind of funny how that works. Fuck. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Patrick, is the blue line support resistance? No, that's resistance. That's my entry. Now that I'm long, the market's stuck here forever. Why not reverse? I mean, we're still okay. Just, I think as long as we can kind of keep bouncing off that 80 level, there's no reason to get short here yet, but maybe get short. I don't know. If we lose the 80s, it might be a good short. But even then, I don't know how much downside there is. Nvidia's having a little bit of trouble, looks like now. Just stick to the plan. Yeah. This needs to basically bounce like right here, right now to go. Bounce right here to go. Bounce right here to go. Getting very tight either way. Something's gonna happen. Give me one more boner candle, boys. 5-minute candles look good. I mean, I like it. It's got to go. The battle is real. Right here, right now. We held the 80s again. I was kind of like a fine line in the sand. We just got to try to get through there now. After all the consolidation, we got to get through this opening range high. Come on. Watching, the crazy thing about trading is, like, you know, it's so like it just, you get instant results, right? You put a bad trade on, you get instant results. It's like, it's instant. Everything is so instant, and it's like, in hindsight, you're always like, fuck, why did I do that? You know, why did I take that? Why did I do this? It's always, you know, like, if I get out right now and then it fucking pumps, then it's like, oh, why did I do that? So it's always like, trading is just, it's a constant battle of like emotions of trying to be like, fuck, It's always tricky. You know, it's like, it's just kind of that fucking moment, man. Got a new 5-minute candle just opened. It's like, it's trying to go, but just kind of consolidating here. If we can start to go, I think there's a lot of room to the upside here, honestly. Right? Like, maybe go for the fucking all-time high again. I don't know. Maybe. 1 hour candle is like very tight and there's no wick on the bottom. We're still like that, you know, these 5-minute candles are still kind of pushing. Just now we're just stuck here. I think basically back above 700, this is a good spot to go for a long push. So if you're looking for an entry, I think back above 700 is game on for that push to the opening range high. We have not broken the opening range high yet. And we haven't had like a blow off, you know, like we haven't had anything like if you look at the earlier move down, we had, you know, that, well, fucking Nvidia just stuck really. So maybe we're stuck here. I don't know. Nvidia's pulling back. We need Nvidia to bounce. Getting really tight though. Kind of bear flagging now on the 1 minute chart. Got to see what this 5-minute candles do. Back down again, 80s. Consolidating, I know. Fuck. Fuck. Trouble. Dipping below the 80s now. Yeah. Not looking hot. Not looking hot. Trump about to talk. Great. 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 $670s coming up. Got this previous low down here. We kind of like bounce off, but probably gonna go lower here first. This is a 2-minute chart. That sucks. Going down. She's going down. Back down there towards the EMA. That's a 21 EMA here on the 5-minute chart. Nvidia having trouble, so whatever. This will probably fucking pull back here, pull back to the middle of the opening range, and then go higher later. Just gotta cry about it. ES is still holding. NASDAQ still holding here. I don't think it's not over for the bulls. It's just maybe more pullback before this is the pullback we needed to go higher. 15-minute chart, you got a wick on the bottom there now, trying to push back up. I think, yeah, we just got to get, if we get back above 95 here, I think we're good. I think we're good. Running into that 90, like this 90 area is going to be the resistance again. So like if you're short, like the shorts are trying to short here, but if they pump this through there, then it's like 95 and then boom, right through the opening range high. So that would be possible, but you can see right now, this is like that moment of truth. Either going to pump it through this EMA and then ramp it up 95 real quickly or not. So they're pumping it again. If they engulf this whole entire candle right there, then I think you're really good. Breakout through the 90s here. Nvidia's pumping back up. Nasdaq's trying to hold here. Basically, yeah, I think back above 95s, we're going for the highs, right? Trump is talking, they said. Come on, Daddy Trump, say something good for us. Market goes up 500 points because Trump introduced somebody. Trump's like, this guy right here, the market just pumps 500. God, I still remember when Trump tweeted, it's a good time to buy stocks, and the market went up fucking 3,000 points in one day. It was insane. Here's that 90 push. Come on, let's get through here. We want to see this 720, 730, 740 area possibly. Can we just pump? Can we just pump? We got D-Money coming up here in 5 minutes. 5 minutes until the D-Money show for Fresh Cash Friday. D-Money's going to get the best setup yet. He's going to be waiting for a long right here. Right when he opens his live stream, he's going to already be long and be rich. Absolutely rich. If you guys have not tuned into the D-Money show before, make sure you tune in. 12 o'clock. D-Money. That boy good. Well, it's trying. The Bulls are trying to get through here. I think if we can get some momentum, this is gonna go. I wouldn't be surprised if we don't get 100 points out of it, like pumped up here, right? Like it could just go, but tight right now. I think everyone's waiting on Trump to speak or whatever. Well, there it is. I'm not going to see you guys for like 2 weeks. I won't see you guys for like 2 weeks. I'm going to be gone in Mexico. So we'll be racing. We got the live stream that when we're in Mexico, we'll have up on the YouTube. But other than that, I'm going to see you when I see you. So hasta la vista, vámonos, whatever you say, you know, whatever you say in Spanish. Hasta la vista, baby. I'll see you when I see you. 2 weeks from now, hopefully I don't die in Mexico and I get to see you guys again. But if I do die, well, just remember that I do love you, and I hope that you all enjoy the live stream and you hit the like button, and I'll see you. I'll see you. I'll see you. I'll see you all later. Peace to the Middle East, man. See ya. I can't.